Welcome to your English class. Hello. Hi. Repeat. Hello. Hi. Check. Eddy. Eddy. Listen. I'm Eddy. Listen. I'm Eddy. Now you. Great. Let's introduce ourselves. Let's practice a short conversation. Hello. I'm Eddy. Hi. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Now, let's practice together. I read green and you read blue. Hello, I'm Eddy. Nice to meet you. Great. Now, let's ask some questions. Are you Robert? No, I'm not. Excuse me. Are you Alex? Yes, I am. Now, I ask the questions and you answer. Are you Robert? Excuse me. Are you my student? Great! Now let's complete some interactions. For example, excuse me, are you Eddy? Yes, I am. Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. Now let's complete a different interaction. Excuse me, are you Pablo? No, I'm not. Oh, sorry. Now let's include more information. Check. This is Mexico. I'm from Mexico. I'm from Mexico. And you? All right. And you reply, I'm from. Let's practice. Hello, I'm Eddy. I'm from Mexico. And you? Very good. I can say, I'm from Mexico or I am Mexican. Mexican is my nationality. Let's check some other nationalities. Here we have the country and the nationality. The country, Argentina. The nationality, Argentine. Country, Peru. Nationality, Peruvian. Country, Spain. Nationality, Spanish. Country, Canada. Nationality, Canadian. One more country, China. Nationality, Chinese. Country, France. Nationality, French. Now, let's use everything we practiced today. Let's start with an introduction. Hello, I'm Eddy. Nice to meet you. Mention your country. I'm from Mexico. Mention your nationality. I'm Mexican. Then, ask some questions. Are you Lucy? Are you from Canada? Are you Chinese? Now, all together. Hello, I'm Eddy. Nice to meet you. I'm from Mexico. I'm Mexican. Are you Lucy? Are you from Canada? Are you Chinese? Very good. Now use your information. Pause the video and practice. Now, before you go, this was a great class, and here is some extra practice for free. Comment one of the questions we practiced today and answer one of the questions you find in the comments. Thank you for the like, thank you for subscribing, and I will see you next class. Bye bye.